Okay, another one for the competition. Infrared remote control padlock. Slightly unusual, you don't see them very often, but there we go. It's picked. Or it's open. Fortunately, all this technology and it comes with a key underneath. There we go. So we'll give it a go. And we'll usually store them upside down. That's better. Store them SE3. And you can get them here. If I get this the right angle, that's better. Stormlockpicks.com. So we'll see how it goes. As with everything you think's cheap and easy, it doesn't always work. I mean, this wasn't a particularly cheap padlock. I just find it's a bit ludicrous that they make it infrared and they leave the screw there to get into the battery compartment and fit a keyway, so just in case your battery's on dry you can still open it. There we go. And at that end, oh, I've lost the tension. Take two, chaps.
I hate this face all the time. Long time. But Big Bang Theory, kind of like how they take shots in Big Bang Theory. Put salt in their neck and then put lemon in their mouth. They're doing that, I call it after them watching
These are the days. Now you're going to go this time? Yeah. Hope you heard the click because it's definitely gone. Job's a good one. Back onto the infrared. You hear the click. It's open again. And just in case you doubt the health and safety issues of the key, here we go. And jobs are good in again. Cool. Thanks for watching.